Hello everybody, and let me show you in this daily video why this year is going to be yet another year where the doom and gloomers are gonna get it wrong. Because what's going to happen most likely is that we're gonna have a correction this year, and the doom and gloomers and their followers are not going to take an advantage of that. They're not gonna buy. Of course, I'm not predicting a V-shaped recovery like we had last year. I do not think that is going to be the case at all. But there's gonna be a correction, not nearly as much as the bears say or think. They will talk recession this year excessively. You're gonna hear the word recession so many times, and there is not gonna be one. Most likely, and I'm just going to also show you. This is the research done by the Fundsrep, Tom Lee's fund, and this is the summary of the first 5 trading days. Because this is how the markets operate. Early in January, you can see what sectors, what stocks, what indexes are getting the liquidity inflows. And this is generally a hint of what's gonna be getting liquidity throughout the most of the year. And Tom Lee has summarized for us here very beautifully that if the first 5 trading days for the S&P 500 are positive, and this is like 70 years. This is the research based on 70 years. So if it's positive, can I draw on this? Okay, I can draw. So if it's positive, then very likely the whole year is going to be positive. And if it's negative, it's going to be most likely negative. And we've just closed the first 5 trading days, 0.62%. We are positive, we are in this category. There is 48 years like that over the past 70 years, and 83% chance that the year ends in positive, ends in green. I would like to also point out that for the rest of January, it's going to be very important what the stocks are going to do. Because at the end of January, we are going to draw the January barometer. But that is, we are still just first 10 days into the January, so this is still time. However, this is a very good prediction for a year. So let me start, being a broken record, let me start and also conclude this video with saying, buy the dip. Again, another year to buy the dip. It's not going to be like this forever, obviously. The markets will run out of the legs at some point. Not this year. This year, yet another buy the dip year.